LA Larp Here. Today I will be eating this. I actually don't know what's in here yet. I just grabbed these. I do know where they're from though. So a little while back I went to a motel, and at the breakfast thing there they had these peanut butter, these little, whatever you want to call them, it's like those things. We got, okay, let's go over them first because I don't actually know what's in here. Okay, let's start with this one. This is the biggest one. It is breakfast syrup. Okay, that's like actually pretty big amount. So we have whipped salted butter. It's not too big, but we have normal Kraft peanut butter, and we have pure Kraft strawberry jam with, I think it says with pecan at the end. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna be eating all these because I think they might be a little old. I don't know if these expire, but they've been in my fridge, so we're gonna eat them today. I'm the LA
Larp.
Let's jump right into it. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with the easiest, and we're gonna move up to the hardest, which I'm assuming will be this butter. So let's just start with strawberry jam with pecan. It's a little like browning around the edges. I don't know if you can see that. Looks a little weird. Anyway, I don't really know how to eat this, so I'm just gonna stick my tongue in and start licking. Let's just get right into it. I didn't get any out. It's like solid. It tastes okay, I think, maybe, but it's like solid, like a jello. Tastes okay. It's got a really bad consistency. Like the texture is like weird. It's like mushy. It tastes like a mushy banana that's been sitting out in the hot sun for like 49 hours, and then it got put into a freezer for like 20 minutes. Let's eat the rest of this. I'm definitely tasting some pecan. Oh, okay. Oh my god, the consistency is like terrible. Boom. Oh, okay. The consistency was really weird. It tasted okay. It wasn't horrible. But yeah. Let's go on to the peanut butter. I'm kind of a little more nervous for this one. But I don't know. They don't have expiration dates, so I wouldn't know. Jump right into it. Smooth Kraft peanut butter. Smells like peanut butter. Yeah, doesn't look terrible. Kind of squish it a little bit. let's just dig in. Oh my god. That tastes really weird. It does not taste like peanut butter. How would I? It tastes like a mushroom, like a fungus you'd find in the middle of the forest, and then you picked it up, and then like after like you're a bird, right? And your mama bird flies in, right? Pukes this up into your mouth, but instead of your mouth, it's the cracked peanut butter plastic tray. That's what I'm eating right now. It's like so tough. It's like hurting my tongue. That's like, okay, there you go. Oh, okay. My tongue hurts. Okay, now I'm kind of at a debate here. Which one do we do first? We can do the breakfast syrup, which is really big, so that might be worse, but then we also have butter. Whipped salted butter, which I'm kind of scared to eat. Let's just do the breakfast syrup first, I guess. Oh, okay. Smells pretty good. Tastes like smells like maple. I can't really. Let's go pour it out. It's very viscousy, but like it's not very like normal maple syrup would be like wouldn't just slide out like that, you know. This is very liquidy, like watery. There you go. Oh god, okay. I think I'm just gonna tip this back and try to drink it. Oh god. Oh my god, that was bad. That was like really hard to push down. Jeez. Okay. Here you go. Oh my god, the taste is horrible. Oh. Okay. I was like, I don't even know how I could possibly describe that. Holy cow. Okay. I didn't get my bearings straight. Okay. Move on to the whipped salted butter. Okay. Oh, I can't even get it open. Maybe I put it from the side. It's hardened, like it's rock solid. Okay. Oh, that's disgusting. and it's all over my fingers. I'm just gonna chew it, and I'm gonna sit back. I'm just gonna chew it, and then just get it down. Okay. I am the LA Larp, and I'm about to eat this salted whipped butter like an absolute boss. Like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna puke. I need to get my bearings straight. Okay. No, okay. We're fine. No, we're good. No, we're good. Okay. I am the LA Larp, and I just ate 4 mysterious, possibly expired Motel sauce packet thingies. Like an absolute boss. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you gents, ladies and gents, next time. Have a good day.